Okay, in the last video, I had no idea he was there. Hi, I'm Deanna Fenton. I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel, Simple Steps to Online Success. Oh, by the way, that's Buster. So, Simple Steps to Online Success is the channel for the online course and membership site creators who are just overwhelmed by all the technology that's involved in building an online business. I'm here to help you with step-by-step instruction on how to build the online business of your dreams and allow you to increase your income and generate a greater impact in the world. So if this sounds like you, just click the subscribe button below and hit that little silver bell too. The bell will make sure that you're notified every time a new video is uploaded or I go live here on YouTube. So what do you say? Are you ready? Come on, let's get started.